Hi everyone, this is Quinn, your instructor, and I'm going to be making this quick video on how to navigate our course. So this is our course WGSS 453. It is taught on Lamaku. And Lamaku is new, so I'm still getting used to it. Maybe you're still getting used to it. So it's okay if you can't find things, just let me know and I'll try to help you out best. Over here is our getting started. So start here. I haven't completely finished it, but over here you'll see my introduction about this course navigation, where this video will be, and then our learning outcomes. So at the top, you can navigate over here, the content, assignments, discussions, quizzes, and grades. So you mostly be using these. Everything else, don't really worry about. So going back to getting started, you can also see our course readings. So over here, you'll see every week I have broken down which weeks have which readings. You can refer to this when you're writing your papers. APA resources, this is going to be a really helpful thing, hopefully for you. So I put all of our APA resources in this tab over here. These are also some writing resources. So how to create an outline if you're maybe new to writing, you haven't done a whole lot of writing intensive courses before, maybe English isn't your first language. These are hopefully be helpful for you. I also have some example papers that can be helpful as well. This is our syllabus. I've linked it as a Google Doc, so if I make any changes, and hopefully I won't, I don't think that I will, but in case I do, it'll be a live syllabus. So you can go over here and just get accustomed to it. Refer back to the syllabus a lot. I recommend bookmarking it for easy access. So over here on the sides, you'll be able to see each week. So this is our first week. Over here, I have kind of an introduction about what the week will be about. You can use the checklist to see which things you need to do. You can check it off yourself. I also have our lecture outlines. I have some readings as well. And then the assignments are all over here. This one's not an assignment. This one's just an example. And I have our APA resources and then writing resources listed down here. There's a lot in this week. It can feel a little bit overwhelming. I get it, but just go through it as best as possible and let me know if you have any questions. Same format for weeks 2 to 4. So introduction about what the week will be about, our upcoming assignments, the weekly checklist, use that, our readings as well, assignments, and yep. Um, so things are a little bit different in weeks 5 and 6, but I'll let you look at it yourself. One thing that I want to draw your attention to is our assignments, because the way you've done things before, you've probably turned them in on Lamaku. What I do with my courses is I like to go really in depth and I provide suggestions for each of your papers. So I read each of your papers and I go through and I edit them myself. And so that's the way that I find that you learn the best. So you'll have to log into your UH account, but you turn them in on a Google folder. So you're just going to add your writing here, and that way I can access it and I can provide edits right there. If you have any questions or if the link doesn't work, please let me know. So just to recap, this is your page. You can go over here to see the different weeks, the different units. Over here, we'll have your upcoming events and upcoming due dates. I send out emails 2 to 3 times a week about reminders, and just reach out to me if you have any questions. So please let me know if you have any questions, and if you have any trouble accessing anything on Lamaku, I'm here for you. All right, have a great day, everyone.